Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make City Pop in FL Studio. We'll dive into the core elements that define this vibrant genre. You'll learn to build those signature jazzy chords, program funky bass lines, and create crisp, danceable drum patterns. Get ready to infuse your productions with that unmistakable 80s Japanese sound, using classic synth tones and smooth arrangements. Let's get started on your next retro hit. City Pop thrives on sophisticated yet accessible harmony. Start with major 7th and 9th chords, adding extensions like 11ths or 13ths for that signature jazzy feel. Your melodies should be catchy and often quite simple, allowing the chords to shine. Don't be afraid to layer different synth patches, perhaps a bright lead with a warm pad, to add depth and texture to your melodic lines.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
The rhythm section is the heartbeat of City Pop. For drums, think tight, punchy, and often sampled drum machine sounds, like those from a Linn drum or Roland TR-808. Program patterns that are both danceable and subtle. Your bass line should be smooth, melodic, and groovy, often playing a walking pattern or syncopated rhythm that complements the chords and drives the track forward with a cool confidence. When it comes to production, less is often more. Use subtle reverb and delay to create a sense of space without washing out your sounds. Mix your instruments for clarity, ensuring each element has its own place in the stereo field. Aim for a wide, open sound. For mastering, a gentle touch is key. You want to retain dynamic range and warmth, avoiding overcompression to keep that smooth, polished feel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.